be something.
No, I don't know. I was thinking of the mango, but I don't know if you know what kind of mango I like. So.
Okay, I know. So you know we're here. I get it.
Oh, sugar. Oh, honey, honey. You are my
Archie's.
candy
Archie's.
girl.
No, you're my candy girl.
Good morning, Philippines!
Yes, good morning. Today is Monday. Yes, guys, Monday. Hala, oy, add water daw, guys. Oy, hold on, guys. Hold on, ha? So, yun, guys. Today is, Monday, guys. Papunta dito si Tammy. Finally, makapunta na dito yung asawa ko. And, ito, nag-breakfast, magbe-breakfast ako. I'm not gonna have bread. And, I'm sorry for that little man right here. Naghihintay siya ng, pan. I don't have bread. Oh my God. Hintay. No bread bag. Natin. Ang food. Iyak yan. Kawawa naman na ilma ni mama. Kawawa man na. Finally, nawala na yung snow sa driveway.
There's no car. You couldn't even park here.
Because of the Thanksgiving this coming Thursday.
Party.
You don't went to Stop and Shop instead?
No. Well, you got mine. There's something else you want to pick up? Must be something.
No, I don't know. I was thinking of the mango, but I don't know if you know what kind of mango I like. So
I don't know. It says where it's from, I know.
it's in the entrance. There's all the fruits and stuff. That not the mango that you guys like. The other mango. The mango. Tignan nyo yan. Ang ginaw, Ang ginaw. Ang ginaw-ginaw. Tignan nyo yung mga kahoy. Wala nang tawag nito, guys. Wala nang dahon, Empty na. Yan. Ito din, malapit na. Pasok tayo kasi ang ginaw. Ang ginaw. Yeah, it went crazy already. Because Dada is gonna be here. He's gonna be here. Hala, Dada. You guys are excited, huh? Excited, huh? Excited? Excited? Who's gonna come? Who's coming? Who is coming? Who's coming? Hello, Dada's coming, baby. You go get him. I heard somebody here. Who is that? Who is it? What are you doing over here? Look, I know you're coming. I know you're coming. I know. I know. Little man, sorry, you wait over there, okay? You're Roxy, Enough whining. Let me check if he's here. Itong si Roxy talaga kaloka. I'm just teasing you. He's gonna be here, but you have to wait. You go get him. Go get Dada. He's here. Hello. Mister, you make too much noise now too. Look at them, guys. Hello. Is it close?
Okay, I know. So you know we're here. I get it. Hi, big girl. Hi, big girl. Hi, little girl.
Look at it. Hello.
Crazies, the crazies. The crazy kids. The crazy kids. Oh my God. Hang on. What? Just remember, I'm a target, you're a target. I know, you're crazy.
Hello.
Careful, you. Careful. Don't be stepping on Hobbs' head. Okay, get back. You feel better?
What did you bring
Aside
them?
from this big frozen thing here, aside from this big thing,
That turkey, guys, that Tommy got, para daw yan sa aso at pusa. Rehan, the dog and cat.
good. But where you other stuff?
What other stuff?
Your mom put it away, but she don't even know what she put away.
What?
Is it ham?
There's no turkey in the ham.
Turkeys, huh?
Ah, it's frozen.
They're not frozen.
Oh yeah, I put it in the freezer.
No.
Okay, get one then. Okay, I'll put this in the freezer. I'm not gonna cook all this and throw it out.
Well, I don't know. Sometimes you don't prefer not to have the stuff on it.
No, you can get the stuffing if you want. Still, mixed vegetables. It's kind of pricey, but you know it's already mixed. This one, I know for sure this is 1000. He's been looking for that because all their food for 3 days is just their own food, no mix.
You got no treaties for 3 days. You poor little things. No treaties for 3 days. What's that mama thinking?
But they have their food. Hala, Hansel. Ay, nako, Lord.
Like a Hellcat.
Okay guys, magluluto tayo ng mixed vegetables. And yun, luto tayo. Mix naman siya. So yun, ang gagawin natin is, kalimutan ko, lagyan ko pala ng garlic po. Ganyan. Ito pala guys, is, ano siya, diba, yung seafood stuffing. May stuffing siya sa loob, flounder. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng tuyo, maliit na soka, at saka oil, at saka peppercorn. Peppercorn? Pepper. Huh? So it's another pink for dimples.
Yeah. It's okay.
Yeah.
You can go down to this small. So
No, you're not gonna choke him because
I'm saying you can go down to that small.
I know. Look at those. He's checking. He's here. He's looking.
Cool.
Hubs is right here. No. He's trying to come up here because he thought, look.
You ready? You want it? You want it? Got little fishies on it.
Go turn over
Got
there
little
before my
fishies.
camera died.
I mean, we get rid of this one. Oh, you can only have one. You can't have both. God bless you.
Thank you.
This one is so trash anyway.
Yeah.
Wouldn't make it another week.
Make sure that it's not so tight.
It's fine. My little man.
He's so happy with it. Yes. Yes. Where's Dimple too?
Where is my dad? Come here, Miss Tibbetts. Come here.
He ran away.
Come here, Tibbetts.
He's still running?
I know.
What is she doing?
She's jumping, kiss her jumping. I'll get her knocked. Now this is really, look at this. It was just a string left here, right? That's all that was left. holding it. He almost got rid of
Threw
it.
it out.
He was almost rid of it. Now what? He start over. Marianne, when you find her other collar, the pink one, the diamonds on it, take the belt off of it and throw that collar out. So whether like that one anyway. Because it had that hanging part. Yeah, it's crappy. Leave the belt in case I lose the belt. I'll leave that belt. Oh, sugar.
Oh, sugar. Oh, honey, honey. You are my
Archie's.
candy
Archie's.
girl.
No, you're my candy girl.
You're my kind of girl.
Candy girl.
And you are making that up.
Oh,
I was thinking of candy girl, and I was thinking, no, it's not a candy girl. It's a kind of girl. You're my
Candy
kind
girl.
of girl.
Sugar, honey, candy. Candy girl. It's the Archies, hon. They were cartoon characters. The guys who drew that comic?
Yeah, it's in New York. In
New
Rochelle. No, it's not in Mamaroneck. It's in New Rochelle.
No, they started in Mamaroneck. Same as
But he died, you know.
Who?
Him.
No, they were kids. They were young. They were younger than me, hon.
Oh. No.
Yes, hon. Very talented kids. I really want to go look at this thing, though. I really want to go look at this thing. See how many billions of parts. I can't imagine how it's going to take 8 hours to build it up to be like really down to like just parts.
The vegetables. It's a mix of it's very pretty mix. Look at my good looking husband.
Lemon juice. Need lemon juice. I'm serious.
Stop smoking. Thanksgiving is very cool.
16 in the morning.
31.
16 in the morning.
I know, but it's the highest 31. So what's gonna? You guys are coming here Tuesday night, Wednesday night?
I still got to put the shut off for the oil for the boiler.
Huh?
Then open the reseals. All the staples are out of it down.
Oh, it's been used. They use it for the snow and then they put it back.
There you go. That's why they brought it late. They wanted to make sure they had it for their snow.
Yeah. Seems like you cannot use this when the snow is really high. Just look, it's like this. Did you see the expiration date?
I would say no.
Have
This
the
one probably is.
yeah, August.
Always the one.
That's probably bad.
Probably.
Ano nang oras? 8:06 na. Si Tami punta pa sa labas.
It looks like the bracket was attached to doesn't belong on this tractor. Looks like that doesn't belong on this tractor.
Hala.
But I can't be sure.
He always cry, even if I'm going out here. So that means you have to get rid of the blade.
Yes.
Why don't you do it first before you put that together? You know, it's harder.
Well, this is the order they tell you to do it in, so I'm doing it in the order they say.
Oh, the last part of getting the blade out is the last? That's crazy. Let's go check Dada right here. Come here. What is right there? 10 o'clock, guys. He's still working. Roxy, come here.
Oh, I have to buy another bolt.
Roxy, Dada's here. Come here, you're a very scary cat. Oh, dumi-dumi na niya, oh. It's chilly out here, guys. It's chilly, guys. It's cold. As in cold. Okay, guys. I think I'm gonna end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow in my next one. I will vlog tomorrow. And yeah, I will see you in my next one. Bye! Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye-bye. Hindi na ako lalabas kasi ang ginaw. And hindi ko alam kung bakit ginawa ito ni Tommy gabi na. Pero yun, I